You were fine all this time, I was inside out. Put my heart in your hands till it came back round. Didn't think.
What is up, parties, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do these knotless braids. Technically these are the ultimate knotless braids, okay? So we're going to do some jumbo braids and I'm going to show you guys how I achieve the look. So if that's something you're interested in, stay tuned. If you're not following me on all social media platforms, definitely check me out at the Shay Jenny. Okay, let's get right into this hair tutorial. So I'm just going ahead and parting my hair straight down the middle, and then I'm going to go ahead from the top to my hair, parting it from side to side. So it's easy to just do it one section at a time. So I do from the top to my hair, from the top to my hair. And there you have it. You're gonna get your rubber bands because we're gonna need the rubber bands to make it look legit. I'm just combing out my edges like so. If your hair is not as long and if your hair is not as thick, you could go ahead and add extensions, and I'm going to show you how to do that, so please keep watching so I could show you how to add the extensions to make it look even natural. I'll also be telling you what kind of hair you're gonna use. So I'm just starting off by braiding the hair really tight, and then when I get like an inch in, I start braiding it like really loose. Okay, so that's the goal. You want to start off really tight, and then when you reach like an inch in or half an inch in, you start to loosen up on your braids. That way what happens is when you finish braiding, the hair kind of puffs out a little bit because you braided it so loose. The ends of the strand, I went ahead and twisted it, and then I go ahead and I put the rubber band. So if I wanted these shorter, I would roll my hair up all the way to the top and put the rubber bands. But this is kind of the length that I'm going for. So when I braid every strand, I kind of do the rubber bands to make them look the same length. Because of course, some of my hair is longer, some is shorter. So I just, using the rubber bands, I try to make them, give them all an even look.
Upside down, had a flame in your eyes, all I saw was doubt. Oh, paranoid, got lost in my own world, made a choice, now it's too late to return. Watch my sanity break away to ease.
Bring it to a halt, back down. Bring it to a halt, you're back and it's all your fault. Back down. Bring it to a halt, you're back and it's all your fault. Back down, back down, back down, back down. That's how it was and that's how it is. Back.
Okay guys, so right here I'm going to show you guys how to add extensions if your hair if you need some extensions, if your hair is not as long. So you're gonna start off the same way, braid really tight, 1/2 inch to 1 inch, and then in between your fingers, you're going to add some extensions. To get a very natural look, you want to use the Kinky twist hair. Go ahead and brush it out a little bit before putting it to your hair, and then just continue braiding as normal. I'm gonna show you again. So you're gonna put your hair in 3 sections. You're going to start braiding as tightly as possible. And when you reach about 1/2 inch between your fingers, you're going to add the extensions in between these 2 fingers and then continue braiding. This is going to give you a very natural look.
Upside down, had a flame in your eyes, all I saw was doubt. Oh, paranoid, got lost in my own world. Made a choice, now it's too late to return. Watch my sanity break away to ease.
Bring it to a halt, back down. Bring it to a halt, you're back and it's all your fault. Back down. Bring it to a halt, you're back and it's all your fault. Back down, back down, back down, back down, back down. That's how it was and that's how it is. Back.
Time for a love potion, a little sweet and spice. Throw it all in a cauldron, mix it up real nice. Fire in my eye.
Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, click that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video.
Filled with emotion, follow the sun.